Back with another YouTube video. I just hit up Walmart. I found this. And, see, I don't know. It said 4 autographs, but I don't know how good these cards are. I don't know. It was $11.98, so, dang, this is... I don't know how good these packs are going to be, if they're going to be trash or if they're going to be good. Do not know. I am actually really, I'm actually really excited. If they're paper cards, then I'll be really mad. I got an Amari Cooper. Amari Cooper. And I don't know about this pack opening. What the poo is this? Guys, I did not mean to. Oh, guys, I did not mean to. Guys, I just. Oh my god, I can't. Holy crap, guys. I'm opening for that last pack. Guys, you just saw that? That's a freaking autograph for... Oh my gosh, guys. I can't believe I just saw this. It's guaranteed 4 autograph cards. And I don't know about this. So, these packs are so freaking hard to open, guys. I kind of recommend you to open these packs, guys. These packs are so hard to get open. Oh my gosh. I'll be right back until I get these open. Okay guys, I'm back. And I opened it finally. Open it. Finally. My gosh, it's been a long time. Okay, so, I got a Brett Hundley, Gary Nova, Landon Collison, and a Max Williams. And so yeah, these packs are... Okay, guys, that was weird. I got a Jameis Winston, okay. A Gabe Holmes, Sid Reed, and a Deontay Flowers. Still got these packs and this freaking topper pack. That looks sick, bros. I don't know why I said that. Whatever, I always say that sometimes. So, oh, what? Whoopsies. Okay, I got it open. I got a Todd Gurley. I got a Todd Gurley. A DeVaris Daniels.
Give me a call, please.
And then Deontay Flowers again. So yeah, keep on sometimes getting the same players, but not that many. I don't know if you can pull autographs in these packs, but I don't know. I'm gonna try to. I hope I can. Alright guys, I'll be right back until when I open this. Okay guys, I'm right back. I got Green Beckham.
Her grandparents are here.
Michael
Pick her up and drop her off. That's
Pert.
the only way she can go. But it has to be later in the evening when you pick her up.
And Josh Harper. Trash. I got a Darren has a Darren Waller, a Trey Wayne, and Tony Lipton. A couple more packs left. Then the topper pack. Okay, this one doesn't really make a difference. If I do or not. be right back, guys. I got it open, and we got a Sandwich Coats, a Brandon Whaley, a Zach Huds, and a Tevin Coleman. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave it a like, and what the bop, and yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah. Sammy Coates, John Croc, Randy Jerry, and we got Green Beckham again. Jameis Winston, Levin Norwood, Anthony Harris, and a Devin Funchess. Dang it, can't get it open again. Crap. Got Todd Gurley, Brandon Bridges, Randy Gregg, Sean Mann. Last pack. Oh, second to last pack. Todd Gurley again. Keep on getting Todd Gurley's. Daniel Thompson, Marcus Golden, and Max Williams. Last pack, guys. And then we get into the 4 autograph cards. We got Brett Hundley, Shinja Davis, Malcolm Brown, and Josh Harper. So guys, we're getting into these signature player cards. Holy crap, guys. We got a Darren Waller, Kevin Parks.
What time can we come get her?
OLB, Jake Ryan.
Yeah, later in the evening
And
would be better.
Akeem
Like I said, her
King.
grandparents are just now getting into town tonight. So she needs to spend a little
So
time.
yeah,
with
that
her.
was my video,
Haven't seen him in a
and
while.
I hope you guys
So what
enjoyed
time do
it,
y'all plan on
and I
being
hope you
back?
guys enjoyed these autograph cards and everything. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be back with another video
Okay.
soon. Peace.